Hi everyone, let's see the long sounds of the letter A. A and I makes the long A sound as in rain and train. A and Y together makes the long A sound. Example, Ray, stay. Some open syllable words also makes the long A sound, such as apron, agent. Magic-y or opovery also makes the long A sound. Examples bake, cake, etc. Letters E, I, G, H together also makes the long A sound. Examples eight, wait, etc. Sometimes EY and EA also makes the long A sound instead of long E sound. Examples pray, grey, break, great. Sometimes these sounds also makes the long A sound. Bye bye.